Hello everyone, myself Aditya Sharma and welcome to my project BackBeacon Task 11.1D Report and Artifacts. So here, here are the hardware components I have used in completing this project. First, I have used Raspberry Pi and the headrest module. Then I have used Arduino Nano in the bottom module and HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance of the object, in our case, its head, without contact. Then DC to DC boost converter, force sensitive resistor, FSR, to detect the pin. If the person is sitting from the bottom module, here is the image of the FSR, our pressure sensor. Then the lithium ion battery charger, which is this one. Then we have a toggle switch. Then the lithium ion battery. Then we have coin vibration motor. If the person is sitting in a bad posture, it will give vibration from the bottom module. There is a picture of our coin vibration motor. Then we have rectifiers diode, and then we have transistors, and we have then our PZO buzzer. If the person is sitting in a bad posture for some time, after a certain threshold of time, it will start buzzing in the top module and the headrest module. Here are the reasons why they are used in this project. Here's a small diagram or picture to show where they are used. In the headrest module, which will be placed at this position, the head part, it will have the ultrasonic sensor to sense if the person is sitting and the distance to to analyze if the person is sitting straight or slouching. Then we have the buzzer. If the person is sitting for in a bad posture uh, for very long time, it will start buzzing. And we have the Raspberry Pi to process it all and to send the data on the dashboard. Then on the seed module, we have Arduino Nano 33RT. Doing the similar, doing the processing part like the Raspberry Pi on the top module. Then we have vibration motors, which we see here. These these are for giving vibrations if the person is sitting in bad posture. Similarly, the buzzer here. These are these are the buzzers. After that, we have this pressure sensor, which will be placed here. This is the pressure sensor. It will detect if the person is sitting, and if the person is sitting, only then our project will start, unless it will not start. After that, we have BackBeacon poster monitoring workflow. So first of all, the pressure sensor detects if the user is sitting or not sitting. If the person sits, the pressure sensor gets uh, data that someone is sitting, and it will start the system. Then the ultrasonic sensor will measure the distance of the head of the user module, with this module, the distance of the person head. Then we will compare if the person is slouching by comparing the distance of this ultrasonic sensor with our threshold values, which we have given in the code. Then we have the intermediate feedback. And this, if the person is sitting in a bad posture, first it will give vibration on the bottom module, the seat module, for using pressure sensor. After that, if the person is not responding to the vibrations, it will start buzzing through the buzzers present here. After that, if And if the and all the data regarding this, regarding their posture, how much time they sat on the chair, and everything will be uploaded on the cloud service, the dashboard. And if after giving the vibrations on the seat module and buzzing on the headrest module, if they're still not uh, making their posture right, we will give them a WhatsApp or email notification message, and if and it will be decided by the user from the dashboard itself. And if the seat is empty, obviously this whole process will not follow, because this is our first condition. So if the person is not sitting or has stand up from the chair, has gotten up from the chair, it will just stop and pause the system. And if the Wi-Fi connection is lost, it will also stop right there, and will store the data um, locally for our project. So this was a small PPT on my project to explain the components I have used, hardware components, and the placement of the modules and the components in the module, and the workflow of the module. The dashboard, screenshot, and other things are present on GitHub. You can check it out from the link in the report. Thank you.